In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to combine shapes in Figma. So as you can see for this example right here, I have a square and I have a rectangle, and I do want to mention there are quite a few different ways you can go about doing this depending on what you're trying to achieve. So stick with me, I'm going to go through every single method of combining shapes in Figma. So the first way that I want to show you is by simply grouping them together. Now, as you can see, they are one shape, but if you click on each individual one, you'll see that they're still their own kind of elements. So what the grouping basically does is it basically just allows you to drag them as they are together in one shape, but they're their own separate elements. Now, if this doesn't work for you, that's okay, because there's another way you can go about doing this. So let me just go back a little bit. Now, I'm going to select them again, and then if you go to the top side of the screen here, you'll see this Boolean groups feature. Click on that, and then if you click on Union Selection, this is going to group all of them together into one. As you can see, they become one union layer. So if you just do that, you'll see they're one layer. Now, it's very similar to the grouping selection, but just a different way to do it. Now, if we click on this little arrow right here, you can expand and you can then select and see that they are their own individual layers still. If that's not what you want to do, if you want them to be one complete shape, what you can do is simply just go back here, select the union, and then head over to the top side here again, and then flatten selection. What this is going to do is it's going to merge them into one singular layer or shape. So now when you click, you can see the anchor points are basically not for each individual element, but rather for the whole shape, which is made out of the two previous elements that we had. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about combining shapes in Figma. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help.